In this video, we are going to see how the cables are tensioned for the pre-stressed bridge construction. Generally, the cables are tensioned after the bridge deck has been poured and has sufficiently hardened to take the weight of the bridge deck plus the weight of the construction equipment and the workers. We'll first prepare the anchor blocks by removing all the formwork, then we'll install the hydraulic jacks in the anchor blocks. The hydraulic jacks will be used to pull the cables. The other end of the cables is attached to a tension machine, which is basically a big hydraulic cylinder. This is the most common way of stressing the cables. The cables are stressed into steps. In the first step, we need to put some pressure in the hydraulic jacks to just take out the slack in the cable, so that it is tight. This is called the initial tension. Once the initial tension is done, we need to put the required pressure in the jacks to stress the cables to the required amount. This required pressure is usually around 80% of the maximum safe working load of the cables. We'll note down the pressure and the corresponding extension in the cable. Usually a specialized software is used to calculate the exact amount of pressure required to stress the cable to the desired amount. Once the required pressure is achieved, we'll fix the cable in the anchor block with a clamp, then we'll grout the anchor block. The grouting is done to fill the space between the concrete and the steel, which in turn will protect the steel from corrosion. After the grouting is done, we'll cover the holes with the concrete. This is done to protect the threaded rods inside the anchor block. This whole process of cable tensioning, fixing and grouting has to be done very carefully to make sure that the tendons are stressed to the required amount. Any more or any less stressing of the cables will lead to a failure of the bridge. Do you know why the cables are tensioned after the concrete has hardened? Let me know in the comments if you know. I'll reveal the answer in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. You can also watch our other videos here.